Now, in this particular training video, I'm going to deal with the maintenance of the dynamic menu, which is what I'm highlighting here with the mouse pointer. So you'll see for each area there are various key sections here, and each one of these will link to a specific page. And using the CMS, you should be able to assign a link to a particular section of the dynamic menu. See here you've got corporate training, partner services, bespoke training. If I click on this link here, you'll see it goes through to the appropriate page. Well, the one I want to deal with is this one, workshops. So it's this particular element, this particular part or section of the dynamic menu that I'm going to assign a link to, and that should take me through to a page, the relevant page, workshops and short courses. So first of all, I log into the CMS, and the particular section that I wanted to deal with was in events. So I click on the events area and then on headlines, and you'll see that the four sections of the area are actually included here, and the one that I wanted to deal with specifically was workshops. So if I click on workshops, you'll actually see now the form for that particular dynamic section, and if I scroll down the form, it's here that I apply the actual link to. Well, dynamic menus and parts of it, sections of it, link to internal web pages, and that's why the default here is to a web page. And if I click here on the list box, you can see a listing of all the pages. These are actually the sections of the areas. The area here is shown in brackets, and the section here is on the right hand side outside the brackets. Ours was the event area, that's this portion, and what I wanted to, the page that I needed to assign or need to assign is workshops and seminars, so I select that one and then I click update. So in actual fact here, what I've done, let's just go back in and have a look. You'll see on the record title, that's the title that will actually come out on the section itself. As I hover over it, I've got the alternate text. Importantly, what we were maintaining was this part. It's assigning the link to that element of the dynamic menu, the section of it, and it was workshops and seminars. And you can see, if you click on that link, the various sections that I could choose. The one I wanted, workshops and seminars, here. So I made that alteration, and then I clicked update to complete the action. And you can see, if we move through other sections of the same menu, the second Wednesday part of the menu itself, you'll see that that's actually linked to second Wednesday events. Up and coming events is actually linked to a page called the calendar. So that is assigning the links, and it would be the same for the key areas on the website. So the area we find that in is in headlines, and here for applied research you've actually got the various section records for that particular dynamic menu. So if we move to the actual website and we refresh the page, seeing that, and now if I go into that dynamic menu and hover over that and click on it, it will actually take me to a page, workshops and seminar, and it's that one that I actually selected from the list box.